Hi friends, I am Uday Sagar Kandpal and I welcome you all to yet another lecture on Java using NetBeans IDE. So the topic for today is calculating the integer power of a number. So we will do it in O log n times or O log m times or O log of the power times. So before starting, I would like to ask all my new viewers to please subscribe to my channel, to please like my video on YouTube, to please comment and share. And please press the bell icons for notifications. So let's write a function public static double pow, and let's have a double x comma int y. So now we know that if y equals to 0, the answer would be 1. So we'll return 1 if y equals to 0. That would be a terminating condition. So I am renaming this function to power as of now. Now let's continue further. So now put double answer equals to power, and we will say x comma y by 2. Now if y mod 2 equals to 0, return answer into answer, else return answer into x. So that would be the case. Now let's create another function. We just need to copy the signature and rename it to pow. This time what we will do is if y equals to -1, then we need to reciprocate the answer. So we calculate double answer equals to power of x comma y and return 1 by answer if y is equals to -1, else return answer. So we have calculated the power function. Now let's test the power function. So use power 2 comma 2. It is giving 4, which is correct answer. 2 comma 1, it's giving 2. 2 comma 0, it's giving 1. 2 comma 8, it's giving 256. So it's calculating correctly. 2 to the power -8. So it's not y equals to -1 condition, but it should be if y is smaller than 0. So this is a simple glitch we did. Now let's run. So now it's calculating the answer correctly. So now we have the pow function created. Now you can have a look. We can also try it for 2.5 to the power 8. So we have calculated the power of fractional number, but the power here in itself is an integer. We can convert this into a long also. Let's use a long here, and we use a long here. So now the function is able to handle big powers. We can have this thing. Now it's saying infinity because long cannot handle it. But if we calculate to 2.5 to the power 80, we are able to well calculate the answer. It's 6.84 into 10 to power 31. So we are able to calculate. So hope you like my lecture. We'll talk about calculating the fractional power in the next part of this video series. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.